Hello and welcome to week number 2, pre-college math. My name is Mr. Shanklin and I will be your teacher for this semester. Let's take a look at what is due this week. When I do announcements, I usually do kind of like a calendar here where it kind of tells you what you should be doing this week. Now, you don't have to do this on Monday and this on Tuesday and this on Thursday and Friday. You can do it all on Monday if you wanted to. The one things that are set in stone are the live lessons on Monday. Our main lesson is from 12 o'clock until 1 o'clock, and I highly recommend that everybody comes. I think you'll enjoy it. It will go through all the stuff that you will need for the week. I also have some practice problems right from the weekly practice that will be in the lesson, so you'll get some of those questions answered. This week we'll be working on section 1.1, graphs of equations. Tuesday you should complete the practice on number 2. And then on Thursday and Friday, maybe work on the assessments. There's 2 assessments, 2A, graphs of equations, and 2B, graphs of equations. One of them is multiple choice, one of them is free response. Okay, so how do you go about doing all this stuff? Well, on Monday at 12 o'clock, you should be clicking on the live e-session, and then click on the class, and you will come right into the live e-session, and I will go through the material for the week. If you cannot make it to the live e-session, just go to the recorded e-session after I have downloaded it. Probably Monday night or Tuesday morning I'll download it, and then you can watch that. So then when you're done with the material and you think, well, once you're done with the sessions, go to the lesson material and go to week number 2, and you'll see that if you did not go to the lessons or if you did not understand something, you can go here and boy, there's all these videos, lesson tutorials, PowerPoints, problems. Here's our textbook. Lots and lots of stuff. If you did not understand what I was going through, you can go through all of these videos. Now, if you understood it, you don't have to go through all the videos. You don't have to go through all the lesson tutorials. But as I'm saying is, I like to put a lot of stuff in the course just in case you didn't understand what I went through or you need some more help. Okay? Then when you think you're comfortable with the material, then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the weekly practice. And once you go to the weekly practice, the practices are numbered by the week. So practice number 2 goes for week number 2. Just click on there, hit continue, and you can go through the problems. Now you have to get an 80% or higher on the practice in order for the assessment for the week to show up. So it's like determine which of the following points lies on the graph of the equation. Well, this equation is y is equal to x plus 25. Okay, so if I put 0 in for x, I end up with the square root of 25, which is 5. That's not my y value. It can't be a. If I put 0 in there, well, let's try this one, 0 and 5. So if I put 0 in here, 0 plus 25 is 5. So if x is 0, y is, I'm going to go with letter C. Boy, I hope it's not letter E because there's not even a spot to click on letter E. That's not good. Interesting. This one does, but I also have a choice for that. Okay, did not notice that when I was doing it. All right, so once you do the assessment, then you can go back in the weekly, once you get an 80% or higher, then the weekly assessment will be opened up. So I'm going to go in there. Now I'm going to put it on student view. So if you did not get an 80% on the practice, this is what you see in the weekly assessments. You won't see any of them. But once you complete the practice with an 80% or better, then the assessment for the week will open up, and then you can take it. And you just like we did with the practice, just click on it and take the assessment. Now, there's two assessments. One is multiple choice, one is free response. The free response, you do have to show your work. So please make sure you show all of your work to get credit. That is it for this week. I hope you guys come to the help set or the main lesson on Monday because I think it will help you out immensely. You guys have a great week. Bye.